Welcome everyone to my new presentation of Near Protocol cryptocurrency price prediction for July 2024 based on what does the markets and the charts communicate with us. Talked about a cryptocurrency that has been advancing into the field of big altcoins extremely well into the AI sector as well. It's positioned, and we clearly see a bright future of this one. For the moment, we would like to talk about the crypto total market cap excluding BTC and Ethereum. So we look into the other altcoins. And what we see here is definitely a good reaction on our demand zone with strength. So the green candlesticks are not minor. Whenever there is a time, they actually pushed quite well. And at the same time, the Andean oscillator indicating us that the selling pressure is about to cross the signal line, representing a change in the direction of the dominance energy, with the ability for the green candle, for the green line that stands for the bullish pressure, for the buying pressure starting to increase, right? So this one looks pretty much set up to push into the resistance line of this specific chart, which is kind of the place where we want to get as soon as possible and break out of that for an altcoin season movement. Before we get into the charts of Near Protocol, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. At the same time, if you care about trades and learn how to trade, then you have the ability to join my one-on-one coaching program, which is teaching you how to trade from A to Z, taking you by hand and doing it live between 4 to 6 weeks in a comprehensive coaching program. At the same time, you can participate in my trades totally done for you, outsource with API trading based on commission, no prior fees. We talk about at the end of the video. Let's see what's happening with Near Protocol, guys. This is the case scenario. Beautiful reaction so far on our very strong demand zone. As you can see, the market has so much room and edge to the upside, pushing into the 7.5, 7.6. There is a bit of resistance going on from there, which might generate you a minor retracement. And from there, you can push into the highs. But at the time this cryptocurrency is going to be climbing itself above 7.5, it's going to break out of the previous tops as well, which will generate a beautiful situation of market continuation into the double digits area. Is this the target? Well, obviously, Near Protocol from here can easily break the $20 as well whenever we get into the altcoin season. That's a 400%. And if you put it out on a leverage, you can actually make out of that, 2000% on a 5x leverage. Indeed, might take quite strongly a few months to achieve that, but Near Protocol cannot be targeted lower with an altcoin season. Keep in mind that our selling pressure yet again on this chart as well is crossing the signal line, and it is about to move to the downside, which is a very good effect of the things. We've been going through a non-stop selling pressure here, which has been quite active for the last 30 days, a market correction of 48%. You're in a golden pocket right now, in a demand zone as well. The charts are looking nice. You build a micro higher low, so you're pretty much prepared. Even if today's candle is like this, it doesn't matter. You're pretty much prepared as long as you don't close anything below the last wick we established, which is right there. So if you don't close a daily below 4.44 cents, you are going to be bullish, targeting 7.5, 7.6 into that zone between the gray line and the blue line, which is sitting over there. This is what you have to target for July. What about the target itself, percentage-wise? Well, around 40%, which is something I'll take it, of course, any day at any moment. 40% on 2x is 80% on my margin. 100 grand is $80,000, just like that. So this is a number which is beautiful in the way it shows, with great possibilities of extension when you get over there and you don't pretty much reverse in a very aggressive manner. From that level, you can actually start targeting double digits. No point of dealing with anything that is basically below double digits anymore. Number 2 extension and 1.618, right? So the blue line is the 1.618, the green line is the number 2 extension. These are two levels that I would actually focus, which means 11.3, 11.5 around that one, and the $14 representation are two levels that I would pay a lot of attention to. when we get into the highs, of course, which might not happen in July, but then you have enough time basically till the end of the year to confirm yourself in an altcoin season with strength. Another thing, and the last one that I wanted to talk to you about, is you pretty much climb yourself above the 200 days moving average right now, and you get the opportunity to confirm yourself above that and start pushing basically into the upper levels by finding yourself into a great shape and momentum from that moving average. That's pretty much beautiful, guys. And on top of that, we are not crossing with our 20 days moving average, which is the red line, the 200 days, which would kind of indicate a bad dominance, at least on a micro term. It's not happening at the moment, and I hope it's not going to happen in the upcoming days as well. This is just bullish as well, guys. So at the end of the day, what has been very clear to me is the 100 days moving average, the light blue holding the chart very nicely throughout the entire move. So if you build yourself into the 7.6, 7.7 and get back to your light blue line, which is going to be like this, find yourself in a support, you're actually opening the doors to what happened from there, which pretty much were times that you got 246% in 52 days. Near Protocol has the capability to deliver you that. That's going to push you straight into $20 mark, which is great. Enjoy, guys. For those of you that care about education, trading, make sure to watch this video till the end. I have live trades going around. I have quite a lot in this business field. Enjoy and talk to you soon. And now I would like to talk for those of you that believe in education and care about their performance. So it's time to share more details about my one-on-one coaching program. This is done with me live, where I'll take you by hand, just like I said, and teach you how to trade from A to Z, which means starting from the mindset psychology side into the technical analysis, understanding the language of the market, encrypting the charts, and being familiar with the language in terms of what does the market communicates with you. Understand the whole process and then know how to react to those messages that the markets are delivering to you guys. Knowing how to react obviously is a sophisticated process. How to trade, when to trade, what to trade, when to exit, how to exit, and how to deal with an active trade. All the situations that are considered complex and a trader needs to know. Whether we talk about part-time or full-time trading, it doesn't matter. What matters is you need to increase your educational level in order to perform in the markets correctly and most likely in a predictable way. Trading is not gambling, not at all. Trading is a type of activity where a person is trading an asset when the probabilities of a direction are very high. So he has the ability to recognize those moments when a probability compared to the other, so a energy of bullishness or bearishness, is having a very, very strong possibilities of going into a direction. This is when a trader steps in and it is in advantage towards the market, so he's trying to make money with that. That's the whole idea of the process. It's definitely not something that has a very, very high level of unknown and random outcome at all the times. No, there are situations like that as well. I can confirm that. Been trading since 2014 full time. But the idea is that there are situations where the randomness or the unpredictability is not high. And that makes the spots for the traders. So check out the video to understand how does it work. Register now for a free conversation with me, a one-on-one coaching where I'll take you by hand between 4 to 6 weeks and teach you how to trade on Zoom conversations with homework, with exercises, with everything that is needed. Just like for the completely done for you on the trading side, if you'd like to be part of my trades, you can definitely do so without any prior fees. Just a commission from the profits we earn. Commission is paid by you every 7 days. This is my journey. You can check out the links in the description area, in the comments area for everything. It's completely done for you. We are using our ChatGPT bot for trading. It helps us to perform, it helps us to run the analysis, and it helps for the accuracy side. So it's done through API trading permission, and it's simple, straightforward. I can explain you more. Just reach out to me if you think this is a good option for you. Have a good time around it. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, and we'll talk to you soon.